Computer-supported argumentation systems allow users to build structured arguments with informal logic. Building an argument is a bit different than a casual discussion in Facebook comments or other forums that use non-sequential free text. In computer-supported argumentation, superfluous deviation from the argument is discouraged, as only the attribution of evidence to support or refute a claim may be applied.
What follows is an overview of how to use facts and logic for computer-supported argumentation.
The initial form the user is greeted with is the new argument component form. User-enterable argument components may either be claims or evidence. These may be selected from the type selection field by clicking the down arrow on the right end. The type selection allows either a claim or evidence to be entered. Generally, one starts with a claim and then fills in the evidence that establishes that claim. Selection of either will result in a form that contains the necessary field for that argument component type. After entering a claim, what results is a view where the entered claim is the current argument component. An entry of evidence that supports or contradicts that claim is permitted in the view below the claim by use of the tabs. Once a claim is entered and the claim view is displayed, evidence entry may be made along with relationship to the displayed claim. As an example, the following contradicting evidence may be entered. Upon submission, the contradicting evidence component becomes embedded in the contradicting relationship tab of the claim view. The simplified view is shown to allow easier review of all contradicting evidence. When placing the mouse over the evidence component, additional information is displayed. Evidence may be visited or a doubt may be added to any evidence relationship by clicking on this view element that contains the additional information. Upon selection, the available options dialog is displayed. Selecting Visit will result in a view that contains the arguments and its relationship to any claims. At this point, it will only have a contradicting claim displayed, which may be viewed by selecting the contradicting tab, as the supporting tab is the default display resulting from any view request. Within Evidence View, one may move the mouse pointer over a claim and see the expanded options just as one could do for evidence in the claim view. Selecting the expanded argument component once again results in an available actions menu. This time, a doubt will be added to the relationship by filling out the fields underneath the text, log doubts about this inference relationship. Note that entry into the first field specifying a logical fallacy is not necessary in every case. After selecting log doubt, the relationship doubt will display in the expanded view for the claim component. From any of the views, a new argument component may be entered by selecting New Argument Component from the button in the upper left of the website. This time, select Evidence to produce the fields for a new evidence form. Submit this and the resulting familiar evidence view is displayed. In the upper left portion of the web page, below the New Argument Component button is a text field that may be used to search all entered argument components. Enter text into this field and press the Enter key. The 3 created argument components are displayed in the results using the entered search phrase. Select the original claim on top, and a drop-down menu will appear with possible operations. The result of selecting the Supports or Contradicts menus is the Create Relationship dialog, which allows the establishment of relationships between already existing argument components. Enter the explanation, then submit. The result in the current evidence component view is that the claim is added to the supporting tab. In the search results on the left, select the claim again and select Visit this argument component. You will notice that the current view is once again changed to the claim component view, and that the 2 pieces of evidence that were related to the claim are in this view. This claim now has 1 piece of supporting evidence and 1 piece of contradicting evidence. At this point, we have completed a tour of all available functions in the Facts and Logic argumentation system. The arguments entered are available for all to view anonymously. Feel free to have a friend enter arguments on the site and use the site to debate. When you are finished evaluating the software and have created at least one claim and associated evidence, please fill out an evaluation form by following the link to the survey at the top of the site. We appreciate your feedback.